Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a WooCommerce dropshipping tutorial. Now this video will have everything you need to get started on how you can sell products online with WordPress. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So first up, you need to have your own WordPress so you can set up your WooCommerce plugin. Now in order for you to set up your WordPress, you're going to have to buy a domain and hosting. So just choose a hosting provider like SiteGround, Bluehost, or Hostinger, or many others that offer one-click WordPress installation. So after that, just install WordPress and then choose a theme. So you're going to have to choose a WooCommerce compatible theme such as Astra, Flatsum, or Storefront. And after that, have your WooCommerce installed. So just install and configure your WooCommerce. As you can see, it's already installed here. And all I have to do is set it up. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try to set up our WooCommerce. I actually did not go through the initial process of setting this up so that we can see it step by step here. So just click on WooCommerce here, and it should prompt us to the setup page right here. So set up my store. And then here, just choose your background. Which one of these best describes you? Let us know where you are in your commerce journey so that we can tailor your Woo experience for you. So I'm just starting my business. If you're already selling, of course, you can choose this option. Yes, I'm selling online. Or if you're selling offline, or if you're doing both. You're also setting up a store for a client, then you can choose this option. So for this option, we're gonna try to go with the one for beginners. So let's say I'm just starting my business. So we can carry on with this option. Then tell us a bit more about your store. All right, so this is gonna be my store name. Site this Tios. What type of products or services do you plan to sell? Just choose whichever is suited to your business. So let's say maybe clothing and accessories. All right, so then put in your location. I'm gonna stick with that. Then your email address, and then you can check this box if you'd like. Opt in to receive tips, discounts, and recommendations from the Woo team directly in your inbox. So once you're done, just click continue, and then get a boost with our free features. That's your store by installing these free business features. No commitment required. You can remove them at any time. So it says they're free features, so you don't need to pay for them right now. So you can boost content creation with Jetpack AI Assistant. And then there's Instagram, grow your business with Facebook and Instagram, drive sales with Google for WooCommerce, and reach your customers with Mail Poet, as well as create ad campaigns with TikTok. All right, so I believe we can carry on with this. Now it's setting up our store. We're just gonna let this load up for a bit. Sending your store's capabilities. All right, so once that's done, we should be able to see a draft, basically, or a blueprint of our WordPress store or WooCommerce store. So right here. All right, so we're gonna have to create an account here first. Just give me a sec. All right, so now we're back to our WordPress dashboard on WooCommerce. So this is welcome to site this Testios. Then I believe we can start customizing. There's actually some step-by-step process that they're including here. Let's try customizing our store. Here you can design or choose a new theme. Let's maybe use a new theme for now. So we're gonna go ahead and click on browse themes, and okay, so you have to pay for these. Guess we can't use a free theme, huh? So all right, Let's see if we can design our own. We're just gonna let this load up for a bit. All right, so here is the sample of our own design theme. See here, this is the preview, and then discover what's possible with the store designer. Let's skip this 4. I think we can stick with this for now, just so we can show more. All right, so we can view our store. Let's try checking it out on a new tab. All right, so this is our default store. Not much is in it yet, of course, since we just went with the sample draft. But basically, this is what it's gonna look like once it's fully operational. So we're gonna try to show you how we can add products. So from here, we can already add products. So we're gonna focus on that. Gonna click on go to products. And we actually have some sample products here. And bulk actions, you can do that right here. So if you want to select them all, then edit or move to trash. You can also filter them. If you have a filter set on your products, filter by product type, filter by stock status. And let's try adding a new product. So just click on add new product here. And then fill in the details of your new product right there. So just type in the details, blah, blah, blah. Your description here. And the rest of the attributes here. So regular price, and if you want to set a sale price, and you can also schedule that so that it'll be automated. And then there's the inventory for tracking, SKU, just include them all over here. Then stock management, there's shipping, link products, and other attributes right here. For advanced, just purchase note if necessary, menu order, cart flows, and right here are just some more extensions. There's a product short description here. You can add the categories to the right, product tags, channel visibility, and of course your upload image, product gallery, and then you can publish it right here. But before you publish it, you can either save it as a draft or preview it so that you get to see first how it looks. All right, so that's how you add a product. I'm gonna head back to the rest of our products. All right, so right here. So again, this is the list of our products, and they should be live right now with our test store. So if we head back to our store right here that we made or built through WooCommerce, then it should be operational on the shop. So let's click on shop, and there we go. As you can see, the listed products we have over here are available in this section. So imagine we're the customer right now. If we visit this website, then we can already add to cart right there, add the specific products, and then let's try to view the cart. You can add a coupon over here and then proceed to checkout. And then they're just gonna fill in the details and they can already purchase that product. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.